हाय हेलो नमस्कार वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। तो कैसे हो यारों? आई होप कि सब अच्छे होंगे, मस्त होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे। स्वागत है फिर से एक नई सी वीडियो में। तो आज की भी चैलेंज शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी लेट किए। तो देखते हैं भाई पहले स्पीकर कौन आ रहा है आज की इस चैलेंज के लिए। हेलो।
Hello.
यस भवेश।
Hello.
हेलो।
Hello.
यस कैन यू हियर मी?
Where are you from?
आई एम फ्रॉम ओडिशा।
Karnal.
आई एम फ्रॉम
Where
ओडिशा
from?
ब्रदर।
Odisha.
यस एंड व्हाट अबाउट यू? वेयर आर
I'm
यू फ्रॉम?
speaking. What?
वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम?
I'm from Maharashtra.
Okay, Maharashtra. So you speak Marathi?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. કેમ છો?
Are you beginners?
Yes, yes, I am a beginner.
Oh. So what do you do basically?
I
Are you a
was,
student?
yes, yes, I am a student. I am also studying. So yeah, I am a student. And what about you? What do you do for living?
I'm also a student. I'm
Okay,
uh, I'm pursuing my MBA.
okay, MBA. Okay, in Maharashtra?
Hello. In which stream you are studying? Yes, yes.
Okay, first year.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
What?
In first year. Now I am in first year.
You are not audible. Your voice is breaking.
Okay.
Hello, Ratanlal. Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Your voice is breaking. You are not clearly audible.
Okay. Now.
Yes, it. Now it's audible.
Okay. So how's the weather in Maharashtra today?
The weather is fine. It's rainy,
Okay, it's raining.
not too heavy.
Okay. So what is
Yes.
the temperature?
Temperature about 30 degree.
Okay, 30 degree. Okay, that's great.
What about your location?
Yeah, in Odisha also it's 29 degrees Celsius.
No.
Yeah. So
But
do you?
at night in Odisha, the temperature goes in
Yes.
cold weather.
Yes. Yes. You can continue.
In Odisha,
Okay.
at night, what is the temperature? Till it go till 25 or above that?
Yeah. Yeah. In night it's yeah 25, 26 like that.
Oh.
Yeah.
So in which domain you are pursuing your study?
BCA.
BCA
Yeah.
means Bachelor of Computer
Computer
Application.
application. Yeah. Correct.
So you might have learned some language, programming language or other skills.
Yes. Yes.
Which language did you know?
Well, it's just the starting. Uh, it's my like first semester. Now we are learning some basic language and basic things. They are just trying to teach our communication skill, then some basic math, then yeah,
Are you in first semester?
yes,
Oh, then they will teach you curriculum about computer means they will give you basic knowledge. There
yeah,
will be a statistical maths or discrete maths
yes,
or
yes,
C language in
yes,
first
yes,
sem,
yeah, yeah, correct,
isn't it?
yeah, yeah, correct.
So, had you given your semester exams or it's about to happen?
No, no, it's about to happen.
So you directly take an admission in private college or
Yes, yes.
through
Private
exam,
college.
entrance exam?
Private college.
Hmm.
Yeah. So, what do you like to do, brother? What are your hobbies?
What?
What are your hobbies?
My my hobbies are to swim. Just I like one hobby, swimming.
Swimming. Okay. So, we are.
Like sports also, but
Okay, okay,
uh,
okay. And what are the touristic places in Maharashtra?
there are many places. There are World Heritage sites like Ajanta
Okay,
Caves, Ellora Caves, many
okay,
more things. If you go
okay,
in western part or there is a Sahyadri Hills forts.
okay,
They are
okay,
basically there are many forts in Maharashtra.
okay. And there are also hill stations, right, in Maharashtra?
In,
Okay,
yes,
okay,
in stations.
okay,
Small hill station, Lonavala, Khandala.
okay, okay. That's great.
Basically in Maharashtra, if we will go towards Konkan side,
Okay,
nature and all things are good. Means it's like that put eyes.
okay, okay.
Hello.
Yes, yes. I'm listening here.
So what in your state? What are the tourist places to visit?
Well, in Odisha, touristic places are Jagannath Puri Dham, then Konark Sun Temple, then
Uh,
Similipad National Park, and yeah, and there are
so
so many national parks are here in Odisha also, and
it's
and
wildlife sanctuaries and
yes, yes,
there are wildlife sanctuaries.
yes, 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 and
So
and so many beaches.
what is the national animal of your state?
Odisha, of Odisha, it's
Hello.
I think
Hmm?
it's tiger. No, 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 not tiger.
What? Which tiger?
I don't
Then
know. No, it's not tiger. It's
okay, you don't know.
something else. Yeah,
So in which type of farming is done in Odisha?
it's
Like wheat, rice, or
rice.
other things?
Mainly, it's rice. Rice
Rice,
farming. Yeah, rice farming in
rice.
Odisha. Yeah, and in Maharashtra, brother, which
Maharashtra, there are all types of farming, rice, bajra, gehu, wheat,
okay,
all types
okay,
of
okay,
banana,
okay,
grapes,
okay, okay.
because it's in middle part, no? That's
Yeah,
why.
yeah, yeah, yeah. The weather is there. Weather is suitable for those crops.
Yes, weather is suitable.
Yeah, and
Means
do you?
different regions have different
Yeah, yeah, correct.
culture and farming
Farming. Yeah,
farming methods and farming culture.
yeah.
And means overall culture is different in different districts of Maharashtra.
Okay. So it's like a diversity. There is culture. There is diversity in culture and in festival, in farming also in Maharashtra.
Yeah,
Okay,
yes, all things.
okay, okay. Great.
Means the tone of language changes at every kilometer. Yeah,
Okay,
means you go 100 kilometers from
okay,
one place, the
okay,
language tone is changing.
okay, okay. That's great. That's great. So, what about travel, brother? Do you like to travel?
Yes.
Okay. So, what are the places you have visited?
I visited many places in Maharashtra.
Okay.
I visited Goa, and their heritage sites like Ellora,
Okay.
Ajanta caves,
Okay.
and many more places.
Okay. Okay. So, brother, what is special about Ajanta caves?
Ajanta caves,
Yeah.
the painting and the stone is broken into
Okay.
what we'll call it as
Okay.
structure of
Okay.
human, or means basically in stone. It is cutted like it is man-made cutted.
Okay. Okay.
The story is told says us a story
Okay.
about
Okay.
that time.
Okay. So it's like
They are
they cutting
saints.
the stones to make like the structures.
Yes, structures.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
That's great. So it's like man-made.
Same.
Yeah.
Yes, man-made.
Okay. Great. Great.
There are different 30 types of caves in one big cave. There are
Oh.
different rooms. In
Oh.
that there are different paintings and structures of stone.
Okay. Okay. That's great. टाइम ख़त्म. कॉल डिस्कनेक्टेड. या सॉरी. चार्ज देते हैं. फ्रेंडली टैकिंग अच्छा था. लेट्स सी अब कौन आता है. महाराष्ट्र से था. गेट महाराष्ट्र मुंबई. हेलो.
Hello,
यस.
Ratnal.
यस. हाउ आर यू लकेश.
I'm good. How are you, man?
या आई एम ऑल्सो गुड. वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम.
I'm from Indore. And
बंग
what about you?
बंगालोर. ओके.
Indore. Indore.
ओके.
Indore.
इंदौरा.
Madhya Pradesh.
ओके. 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 आई एम फ्रॉम ओडिशा.
Have you heard about this city?
यस यस. इन
Yeah, Odisha. Okay.
या.
Yeah, that's fantastic. So,
So how's the weather
what
today?
you do?
Well, I work in a company.
It is good.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah.
your voice is breaking actually. Yeah, like due to the, like, I think
Yeah, I think so. Maybe.
on this app, yeah, no problem. Yeah, so, work in a company,
Yeah, yeah. And
for
what
which role?
in
Or which,
as a data analyst?
sorry, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Your voice is breaking.
Well, I work as a data analyst.
Okay. Data analyst.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Okay,
And
thanks, man.
how much years of experience do you have?
Well, it's my first year, so you can say 1 year experience.
1 year.
Yeah. And what do you do, brother?
Okay, so like I am seeing you software engineer
Okay.
and like working in plumbing solution as a full stack marine developer.
Okay. Great.
Yeah,
Okay.
and like right now I'm looking for the new job.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay.
So
So
you are doing work from home or like work from office?
yes, yes. Right now I am in home. I am
Hello,
doing work from home.
hello,
Hello.
can you hear me?
हेलो. नेटवर्क भाई एक ही था नेटवर्क. उस टाइम मतलब उसको आवाज़ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था. मेरा आवाज़ कट कर दिया. पहले हम इसको. अब नेटवर्क आ रहा है. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi, bro. How are you?
Yes, I am good, brother. What about you?
Sorry, I can't hear you.
I am fine, brother. I am doing great. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
And I'm getting some disturbance around you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's the noise, I think. So, where are you from?
Okay, so where are you from? I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, I am from Odisha, your neighboring state. Yeah, बैकग्राउंड में कुछ नॉइज चल रहा था इसका, सो मे बी दैट्स द रीज़न उसने कॉल कट दिया. लेट्स सी अब कौन आता है. हेलो.
Ratan Lal,
यस.
you have a very unique, antique name.
ओके. थैंक्स ब्रदर,
Ratan
थैंक्स.
Lal. Are you from Rajasthan?
No, I am from Odisha actually. Yeah, but many there is so many name like this Ratan Lal, Lal, and there are so many names
Jethalal,
from Rajasthan like this.
CC, Jethalal,
Yes,
Champak Lal,
yeah, correct.
Bansi Lal, Bharat Lal,
Yeah, brother, yeah,
Ratan Lal.
yeah. There are so many Rajasthani people who use the name like this, but not. I am not from Rajasthan. I am from Odisha. And where are you from, brother?
Okay, what you do? MH.
Maharashtra.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
And what you do?
Well, I works in IT sector. What about you, brother?
You're working in IT sector.
Yes.
Are you a software engineer?
Yes, yes, kind of.
You're a software engineer.
Yeah.
Software engineer or software developer?
No, actually now I works as a data analyst.
Okay. And what is your salary?
Well, now it's 20k.
Quite nice. Is
Yeah.
that sufficient for you?
Yeah, for now, because now I am like just the fresher, so I think it's sufficient for me. But let's see uh, what will happen in coming days, in next 2 to 3 years. I will see.
Cross finger for you. Cross finger for good luck.
Yes, thanks, man. So, how's the weather in your area today?
Um, sorry.
How's the weather? How's the climate?
Weather over here in Maharashtra is very, I think, cold and rainy. So
Okay,
maybe natural type of view over here,
okay,
feeling uh, herbal and natural over here.
okay. Great, great. So, why are you using this application? What's the reason?
Should I tell you the true reason?
Yeah, sure, sure, brother.
Should I tell you the true reason? You will
Ye-
think that he's lying.
No, no, you can say what's your true reason.
Time pass.
Time pass. Okay, okay, that's great. You know, people are like they watch movie for time pass. They play something mobile game for time pass. But you are using this app for time pass. That's really great of you, brother.
Strange. It's strange.
No, no, I don't think so. It's great. It's great, brother.
I told you before that you were gonna say that this man is lying.
No, 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 brother. I don't think you are lying. But
Not at all. God bless you.
yeah, thanks,
Have a
man.
great day.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, bye, brother. टाइम पास कर रहा है, तो उससे किसी और से बात करना है। साहिल, लेट्स सी अब कौन आता है। हेलो,
Hello.
यस,
Where are you from?
आई एम फ्रॉम ओडिशा। एंड वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम?
Odisha.
यस,
Oh, I am from Indore.
इंदौर। ओके ओके, व्हाट डू यू डू?
No, from you. You know,
व्हाट?
you know Indore.
इंदौर, यस यस आई नो
You
इंदौर।
know Indore?
यस यस आई नो इंदौर।
What do you know about Indore?
Well, it's a city in like in Madhya Pradesh, right?
No.
In Madhya Pradesh, right? It's the city in Madhya Pradesh. काट दिया। कोई नहीं भाई, बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है। आज बहुत महाराष्ट्र इंदौर इंदौर से मिल रहे हैं, क्या है? और एक आंध्रा से था। हेलो,
Hi, Ratanlal. How are you?
यस आई एम गुड ब्रदर, एंड व्हाट अबाउट यू?
I am also fine, bro. Where are you from?
आई एम फ्रॉम ओडिशा।
Okay, Odisha. So, where do you live in Odisha?
In Odisha, I live in Mayurbhanj district. And where are you from?
I am from Delhi.
Delhi. Okay. So you are born in Delhi, or it's your like workplace?
Yes, I was born and brought up in Delhi.
Okay. So what do you like to do? What are your hobbies?
Actually, I don't have any specific hobby because I am busy with my job. I am doing job in BSF, Border Security Force, and
Okay.
now I am posted in Tripura. Right now, I am in Tripura on India-Bangladesh border.
Okay.
But sometimes when I get free time, in my free time, I like to play volleyball and badminton.
Okay. 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 That's great, brother. So you are protecting our country. Yeah, that's so nice of you, brother. Okay.
Yes.
So how many year you have been like in army in BSF?
I joined BSF in 2017.
Okay, 17. Okay.
Yes.
So it's like okay, 7 8 years. Okay, yes, great, brother.
Yes.
Yeah. And do you like to? Yes.
Yes.
And do you
Yes, you were asking something.
what?
You were asking something. You can ask me.
Yes. I am asking. And do you like to like watch cricket?
Yes, I watch cricket match also, but I am not that much interested in cricket.
Okay, no problem. So recently there was a cricket match. There was a World Cup, T20 World Cup.
Yes, India won 20
Yes,
World Cup.
yes.
So I am very.
Yes. Yeah, India won the T20 World Cup. It's like after 17 years, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, after 17 years.
Yeah.
So, Ramal, what do you do? You are doing job?
Yes, I work in a company in IT sector. Hello.
Okay. You are
Yes.
doing job in an IT company.
IT company. Yes, correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me something about Mayurbhanj district. What for Mayurbhanj is famous?
Well, if I say about Odisha, ये Odisha is famous for Jagannath Dham in Puri. Then Konark Sun Temple. Then there are so many beaches in Odisha, and there are so many national park like Similipal National Park in here in Odisha, which is famous for tiger.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
yeah.
Yes, I know about that, but I want to ask about Muirbanj district.
Mayurbhanj district. In Mayurbhanj district, yeah, Similipal National Park is in Mayurbhanj district, and there are so many little waterfall in Mayurbhanj district.
Okay, okay,
Yeah, and
okay. I think Muirbanj is also famous for, I think, some metal is also detected from Muirbanj district.
yes, yes,
There are some mines of
yes, yes,
some
yes.
specific metal.
Yeah, yeah, correct, correct. Yeah, in Mayurbhanj and in Keonjhar, there are so many mines in Odisha. Sorry, in Mayurbhanj.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah, correct.
yes, yes. Because I have heard the name of Muirbanj district
Okay.
about some mining, like which one metal is uh,
Iron ore,
no
coal.
iron ore, iron
Yeah,
ore.
yeah, yeah,
Okay, okay,
yeah. And now recently our chief minister is from Keonjhar district.
okay. He is also from Muirbanj district.
No, no, he's from Keonjhar district, my neighboring district.
Okay, Keonjhar
Yes,
district.
yes, Keonjhar. Yeah, correct.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So
So,
how's the weather, brother, in your place?
now it's very nice weather right now. It's drizzling,
Okay,
and for the last 15 to 20 days,
oh,
I have not seen the sun in daytime.
oh,
It's 24-hour cloudy weather, and
okay,
it's very nice and very pleasant weather right now.
okay, okay. Great, great. So how do you manage to like if you shift to another place, then there is different weather from this place. So how do you manage?
Yes, you can manage, no problem, because for 3 years I will be posted in, now I am in Tripura, and
Okay,
after 3 years I may be posted in other parts, maybe it is Rajasthan,
okay,
Punjab, or maybe it is J&K also. So
okay,
we have to adjust according to the weather, no problem.
okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. That's great. Okay.
In Rajasthan it's very hot during summer season.
Yeah, yeah, correct, brother. Yeah.
Temperature crosses even 50 degrees Celsius. So
Yes.
when we are posted in Rajasthan, that time we are adapted to the according to the weather of Rajasthan, and if we are posted to J&K, that time it's too cold
Cold.
in
Yeah.
J&K.
Yeah.
It snows after almost every day it snows during winter season. So in J&K, when we are posted that time, we have to be adapted with that weather also.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. So now you are in Tripura.
Yes, right now I am in Tripura.
Tripura. Okay. So how much is the distance from where are you staying to Bangladesh border?
I am just on the border,
Oh.
just on international boundary. Our
Okay.
camp is almost on the international boundary. It's approx 200 meters away from the international boundary.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes, and if you cross the international boundary, it is Bangladesh.
Okay. Okay. And there is no like no man's land like that.
No, no, no. Because no man's land concept has been finished.
Okay.
Because there is only one line, that is international
Inter-
boundary.
okay.
you cross the international boundary, it is Bangladesh. If you don't cross, it is India.
Okay, okay,
And there is also border fence on the along the international boundary. There is border fence.
okay,
Yes.
okay, okay. And brother, have you posted in like in Punjab near to Pakistan border?
Yes, yes. I also have been in Punjab and India, Pakistan border.
Okay, so how is the situation there? It's like normal or
Uh, uh, India Pakistan border or India Bangladesh border.
India Pakistan border?
Actually, on India Pakistan border situation is normal,
Okay,
especially in Punjab. But in
okay,
J&K, situation is always hot situation in J&K.
okay, okay,
Because you know, in J&K there is no international boundary. There is LAC, line of control.
okay, okay, LOC.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
And in Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat, there is international boundary.
boundary. Okay,
So there is no dispute because international boundary is accepted by both the countries.
yeah,
Both
yeah.
the countries accept that line that okay, it is our limit.
Okay,
But
okay,
in case of LOC, neither Pakistan accept that line nor India accept that line.
okay.
Okay. So in that case there is a dispute.
Yeah, yeah, correct.
That's why there is situation is not normal.
Normal. Okay, okay. So like that.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So in Jammu and Kashmir, it's hard to like survive for the local there, local people. Oh,
In J&K,
yes.
yes, yes. For local people, it's easy to survive here, but
Okay.
for force personnel who are coming from other
Okay.
states, and
आर्मी से था भाई. गजब. टाइम ख़त्म हो गया, वरना और भी पूछता आर्मी के बारे में, क्योंकि जानने की वो क्यूरियोसिटी होता है ना, कि सिचुएशन कैसा है वहाँ. फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट भेज दिया. मैं भी कल परसों बात करेंगे अगर वो भी ऑनलाइन होगा तो. पर आज के लिए इतना भाई. बहुत प्यारा सा कन्वर्सेशन हुआ. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए